We're washing this render. As you can see, it's really bad. When you have white render, I would not recommend you let it go this far. This is very bad. And what happens is that we can remove most of it, but not all of it when it gets to this point. So as usual, we are going to be using our soft wash process to basically apply chemical. And this is what does the bulk of the work. And the remainder of the work is going to be a low pressure wash or a low soft wash. Okay, so we've already done the rest of the house here. I hope you can see we've already done all of that face. That was absolutely filthy, that face. It was similar to this. So that's look at how good that's come up. There's a few residual marks there, but fundamentally it's massive improvement. We're doing all these walls for them as well, all the walls down here, and then of course this face too. So the advantage of the chemical, just to reiterate, is that it kills the spores in the organic matter, which is basically mold and mildew and lichen. And once it does that, then you get a better and a longer clean surface for longer over time, which is why we use it. And of course it's very effective. And with render, you cannot use high pressure at all. You cannot scrub it, otherwise you'll ruin the surface. So this is now the low pressure rinse, but watch this here now. Look at that, it's like an eraser. It's absolutely peeling off. I hope you can see that. I'll do it here so you can see a very obvious patch here. Okay, yeah, so I can hope you see here how clean that is versus all of what we have here. So we'll do that all, and then I'll show you the end results. It's low pressure here, look, I'll show you. So there's the spray, and there's my hand right there. There we go, folks, look at that. Absolutely beautiful, clean, reflective, bright and white. So yeah, it's a testament of using a mold treatment. You can see down here, all come up beautifully well, beautifully. So I hope that's helpful to you. We've washed this whole house actually, so right from the front to the back, and we're just starting to do the external windows. So there we go. If we can help you with the render clean, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Hope you enjoyed watching.